Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am talking about a roller coaster which is placed in Universal Studios Singapore. Okay, so Universal Studios Singapore is so big that you need to be there upon a time when it opens. Universal Studios Singapore timing is 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. Zone is Sci-Fi City. Okay, so food are quite expensive, so I advise you to bring your own water, small bag and extra clothes. Going there is very easy because there is a free train from Vivo City to Universal Studios Singapore. Universal Studios Singapore provide free locker rental for extreme rides. It covers around 30 to 40 minutes just in a time when you finish the ride. So today I am talking about a roller coaster which is placed in a Universal Studios Singapore. This roller coaster is the world's tallest dueling roller coaster. Okay. So entry ticket for roller coaster ride is $74. This dueling roller coaster at Universal Studios sends you up to 42.5 meter high at 90 km per hour speed. So this endless crazy spins and whooping drops make the best heart-stopping ride in this theme park. So it is more exciting because there are two options. First one is a red roller coaster and the second one is a blue roller coaster. So the red roller coaster stands for the humans while the inverted blue roller coaster is for the cyclone. So choose your side and enjoy 90 seconds. This roller coaster will definitely awake your sense. I will give you one tip here. If you are eyeing for a normal ride, then you will definitely go for red one. But for daredevils who want extra thrill, more twist and jump, the blue roller coaster is highly recommended. Thank you guys. Enjoy. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.